Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Uh, yeah. Uh.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and revealing all the parts that I just got. I'm sure you saw it from the video I just posted, but here we go. I'm so excited. Just want to say thank you to Shock the Mob. You can find him on Instagram. He posts a bunch of awesome JDM parts and he's able to ship it to you directly. These parts, the parts that I got, the wheels that I got from him, man, they came in like less than a week, probably just 3 business days, and it was amazing. Top-notch work, top-notch customer service. Don't hesitate to shop from him. I'm excited to eventually throw these onto my car, and they are Ray's wheels. I teased them on my Instagram for a while, but I also picked up some other parts here too, and then we'll go through it and I'll take you through all the stuff that I just picked up. Alright guys, so here we go. This is the unboxing of the Ray's wheels I just picked up. Not gonna say how much they were, and not gonna say how much the parts were, but I got a really good deal on them, and I wanted these wheels for as long as they've been out. When they first came out, I was a different person. It was very unattainable at that point in my life, but now I found a great deal on some. You really can't even find them anymore, even if you want to buy them. So just being able to purchase them, I'm pretty happy about that. I'm excited. There were some other ones here in Southern California, but they were a little bit less white. But I'm so excited. Here we go. I hope you guys love them as much as I do. I have heard some people say these are the best wheels you can get for your 86. I'm a little bit biased because I believe it. I've never owned a set of these before. Here we go. Oh, so excited. The lady just dropped it off right now. Ooh! What are they? Bam! Look at those! Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh. So beautiful. You know, it's like having an orgasm, but oh my gosh, so much better. Folks, TE37s. And in the photos, he showed all of these damages, so it's not a surprise to me. I knew that they were there, all the nicks. These are used wheels. Look at that, forged rays. So beautiful. I'm so excited. (14x7). You see that 14x7, 0 offset. The other set here in Southern California were 14x6.5, which I just didn't want. I wouldn't be happy with them. So I paid a little bit more for the 7. You can see they are used wheels. there we go. Nick's. This is probably the worst one here. I paid a decent price, considering I haven't been able to find them anywhere. Well, people say you gotta pay to play. I guess this is it. Super excited about that. Everything here is used. So I also picked up a set of
Are you listening?
non-stop tuning pulleys, lightweight, NST, and it comes with the crank, the accessory, and the water pump housing, and the alternator pulley, and the alternator came with the alternator as well. You guys seen this? Excited about that. Picked up this original coil radiator right here. Hopefully it's adjusting. Original coil with some blocks racing fans. It's not like perfect, but I mean, I picked it up for a good price. I like it that it's original, or like one of the first ones. Picked up a 8-pound flywheel, lightweight. I believe it's a no name. I'm not sure. Yeah, probably no name, but came with brand new ARP studs, not ARP bolts. So you can see that. ARP Pro. Clutch and pressure plate corresponding. These are used. They said less than 10,000 miles. And that's it. Those are the things I just picked up for my Corolla. I hope you guys love them as much as I do. Damn, they're so sexy. Oh, I just can't wait. Can't wait to put them on. I do have a set of tires sitting over there on some wheels. They're not gonna be race tires, but I don't race, so should be fine just having some street tires. Super excited. Probably gonna keep these boxes for whenever I store them, put them away. Pretty excited. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is gonna be just a review video. I have plans to do some more to my Corolla, but I just like I've been saying, it's just something I've been waiting for so many years. Finally got the chance to purchase them. Ah man, no going back. I'm so happy. Perfect. Oh, so good. So light. So light. Hit me up in the comments and let me know if you like them. If TE37 are your type of wheels, 0 offsets, let me know.